Yama Ghana fo nyina kwa ba na yenhye kasebo no ase. Yenhye kasebo na se ana ye kɔ wo my Ghana etifedo atoye mantemu a Upper West ana yedru. Na ye kwa kwatwi break ewo wa akropon no emu a me ne wo kasai abankra chipani a wono wote abanwa so ewo ho mekire municipal chief executive ewo wa eye honorable Tahiru Isaku Mumin wade atoda akirem se sei awudi samu a ayi ne ti ewo wa ene ne importem no we no eyade e hadwen ye papa no wotiremu a awe hosamu a sei wo monsa aka akirem se wo moda so de ya abrantie bia wosuso se wo ye oshenkani ya che no atwa ne ti ewo chese wa montre so a me no kasai namu ana chese eda montre so aya we hosempa na no ana MC akirem se wonte ase akura fi se nipa bofo a edi bone no wo muguso ahwehwe wo mo kira kwan nanso no wo mo hwa na se kire adwa na wo mo sa de foforo sa aba betum na ka no munim se de anka wa na ho no mo adwo kakra nanso woda so de ya wansa nte asempa biem ni nyina no ene se abrantie bia ono so omso de ye no na enipa bofo bi ache no a ye beka ne se ya sorota no ye twa ne ti a ene ni hoho ni minimu ye twa ne se de se bio ye twa na ntwieti a kire se na mu ye ja to abonten eno ana wo kirem se enam so masese ya kasai wo manfo ne adehia wonom ewo doble eno no eye kuro ba ko ewo wa ene ne importem no kire se ehubua fie empanic pam ana sese atima akire wonom a wonom anda nsodeda na abrante ya kasani din aba beto dwa no eye Opoko Richard wono ana wo manfo ne kirem so omda sode na kire se nipa bofo bi ache no atwa ne ti a na mu ana kire se eda bonten na oba ye Facebook no so a emo no ana aposifo atabiri a yade to ka mu atrese aya rehosem papa awurade enti ne ka no ana wotwie no ka no so anesi ho no mu a se na wo kɔ ana nipa bɔfo ne hia na kwanso yi ni sifom etwa ne tiew se nso na wapake ana wote ka nom ana nipa bɔfo ne ba chie no ya ne saa aya rehosem pam na oba ye Facebook no eso a eye DLFM 106.9 ewo Facebook no eso abrantia eye Richard Opoku a cheso wo shenkani ana ne yeda so de ya nipa bofo bi ache no etwa ne tie free so a aya rehosem papa na MC yinkasa no wotirem se abrantie ni wo ne ka ho a na chese nipa mako edu enso 17 ana emfinhia miensa entam enie no enipa bofo bi atimafa kwati kwan ekun wonom ewo wa ene ne mpotam a we no eni kwase mpanefo etena se na wotirem sese ano mpanefo behwe na wonom asa ye meeting foforo eye enne brada ye kasai na wonom atimi apahu nu agobre na nipa bofo a edi boni etesa no wonom so apahu sunsanso a wobetimi ade etu ase wobra MC honorable eye Tahiru Isaku Mumin wakasa no emunsem ne.
Let me make it very clear that this is a coordinated crime and the perpetrators, they have their way of operation, and if you look at the way they operate, it is not uniform. The operation is not uniform, and then what we usually find in the bodies of the victims are not also the same. You remember the previous ones, they take the body parts away, but in the recent ones, you see the bodies, no body part is taken apart from the person being slaughtered or killed that way. No, you won't see any part of the person being taken away. So that's seek to kind of like confuse people with regards to what is the the motive behind the killing. I know sometimes the motive behind the killing also give leads as to how the target the security officers will go after. But once the situations are not the same, so it means that there has to be a lot of arrangements, looking at where to go and how to go about it. So right now as we speak, in fact, there's some arrangements again this afternoon, and tomorrow there's going to be another meeting with regards to the need information that people are picking. So the people that are noted to be called tomorrow, I think the information they'll pick from them will help the security agencies to look at what to do next.
Enti eni ayeti yei eya bankra chepani a wono wo akropon no emonidin ede eye Tahiru Isaku Mumin ana okasa yei na eno achi ana DLFM sem trofo etigu montre so ewo wa ene ne mpotamo ene wo manfo ne adehye wo ho so edi nkomo na wo busa se sese awudisam a ekoso yi mo na muti kroyim sai na musi ho no na wo mo kirem se sese no wo moti ehu mu ankasa fear and panic ana sese akekere wonom na wo mo nsa wo mkan nyina no ene se president mo rempi mo se edu IGP Dr. George Akufu Dampare ebetimi a won resign wonsi form efiri se efiti kwata apeso yanka to apeso a enipa ewuwo ani nipa kunkum ekoso ewo wa no Just suppose if one to me emper whom you go brebia, woman ya hore, and unto a mutim say one better as here, a many pabo for be kunkum wonum. Now she wa IGP, ewo krom hadie, na just faso bi ani sunti, IGP sawoti anka, wa afwasi anka ntre say. So the fact kunya no so na kasa ne wa resign every say ni pewu na so nya ho hwe
president ano ovas president yalanga tinimbi yalala tena wa peace chibe timbetter peace ni bila batukumban vote abatara fora ka above ka kan party jani achi awacha ki ikempe kuti yadan dia tichilu karna wa save tin ban vote akuye amna ayala kan amana jamin jimari awafa something ka lora ngada so alora wan onda wa anan kan ya tadam banka ni ajan ya ajeri ka je nyare be kwa ba ya oblan so ma anya ka security bakumba tuwa mayala yalla tala tendon dara nan yi janja abambla na banda ban yi a cen na ceni tayela amfana mo rabiya karan a hangan wana nan ba na ba pa pu so yar ja tan no karan doga maybe bana na lawde ba idea adada pa ha yela pu lokati yalla to kambanyo
enti ene a yeti yi eye wo manfo ene adehye a wonom ewo wa ene ne mpota mo ewo wo my Ghana etifedo atoye mantamu na asemu ntimi akwa homa so na yene yensem troni abu keke won na sabre wo kropon no mu a wo boye mu enkomo yene no eni ho enkomo kakra abu good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hope everything is fine.
Everything is fine.
All right.
Good afternoon to all the listeners of DLFM 106.9.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah.
Abu, yes, tell us the current situation in Wa now.
Oh, my brother, for me to tell you what is happening in Wa, I can tell you that the people in Upper West are all having a very shock blow based on the serial killing that has been taking place here. Just yesterday in the morning, around 6 o'clock, before we got there, we saw another man that was slaughtered under a car. And this is a 6 or 7 person that has been slaughtered in this municipality, one town. And as I'm speaking to you, the winner, the MP for Wa Central, Honorable Rashid Pelpu, the Tindamba, the Yarena, and all the people in Upper West are very worried. I can even tell you that last year, beginning of this year, the Interior Minister himself came to Wa just because of this incident. So the moment he came, the next day, when he left the next day, another person was slaughtered. Last month, 2 people were slaughtered. One was a security man for YEC, Ghana Education Service. Their security man was also slaughtered last month. And just yesterday morning, another person was also found lying down. But no one has apprehended anybody. We got sometimes ago, 2 months ago or 3 months ago, some people were accused and were sent to the police station. Up to date, no results have been testified that they are the perpetrators or they are not the perpetrators. And the people in Wa Town are very worried. Just this Saturday that passed, Labadi camp, one camp in Wa Town, they organized a press and they demonstrated around the municipality. After demonstration that they have taken, they want to tell the public that they don't like what the people are doing to Upper West. Those who hide behind and be doing those things, they don't like it. Just yesterday we got up and saw another person being slaughtered. But my brother, I can tell you that the municipality in Wa, people find it difficult to go and live as a security man for any office or any workplace this time around.
I see.
This started a long time. It was started from the mad people that we have in town. They were the people that they started killing. And the people of Upper West people, their mind was not on that. So you could see that they diminished the number of mad people that were in the town. This time around, they are now on the security men, killing them one after the other. And just yesterday, the incident was one driver mate. When they came to offload salt, and the driver mate was tired, and the driver was also, they were all sleeping. The driver mate lie one side of the car, and then this people came and took him, slaughtered him, and took the blood, and threw him away, back of the car, and ran away.
I see.
This was what happened yesterday.
Okay. Abu, per the narrations of the people, it looks like they are blaming the abysmal performance of the police in the area.
Yes, please.
From your point as a reporter, how do you ascertain the work and the performance of the police in the area?
Why they are blaming the police, and I cannot say that they are right or they are wrong, is that just on Monday, yesterday morning, there were some 3 people that were found, which are Togolese, in Wa Town. So when they were calling police to come apprehend those people, the policemen refused. They refused to come. So it was then that they made their mind to send them to the chief palace. And when they were about to send them to the chief palace, they used the same person car, somebody's car to send them there. And the police people came there. The people in Wa Town threw them with sachets of water. They used their water to throw them, and they ran away. But they said what they have to do. They are not doing it. They have been killing them, and they are also people that they know that they have to protect them. Now they have got people that doesn't understand any language, anything they talk to them, they don't understand any language, and they were calling them to come and take those people, and they refused. So when the delay came, they threw them. They used the water to throw them. So the people in Wa Town, it's very angry with the security people. As I'm speaking to you.
Abu, do you see some retaliating spirits in the minds of the people as to the abysmal performance as they claim on the police?
Yeah, what I mean is that, you see, like what we are saying, those people that were apprehended, there's no any results coming out to tell the public that those they accuse. Sometimes it happened, they accuse some people and arrested them, and no results have said the people to know that they are the true people or they are not. And this is why they say the police are also supporting the perpetrators. Are you getting me clear?
Yes, I get you. And okay, go ahead.
The member of Parliament Central, Rashid Pepu, has promised 30,000. Anyone who will help them to find out to see these people, he will give them 30. They will give that person 13,000 Ghana cedis. And then the chief imam also. And then the traditional leaders in Wa, including the Wana has donated a black cow for the Tendabes plus 1,000 Ghana cedis to do their sacrifice. And the Limans also took 30,000 plus red cow from the Wana to also impersonate their gods to stop this, to recite the Quran to stop this kind of barbaric act in the Wa municipality. And still, it is still continuing.
Okay. Abu, finally, let me ask this. We know the anxieties are high in the municipality, but let me ask.
Yes.
Are the people going by their normal activities or they are caged due to the surge in fear and panic?
Yes, they are going through their normal duties, all right. This is always done late in the night. Late in the night.
Okay.
Before you get up in the morning, it has happened already. It is not in the afternoon, the daytime that they do it. They do it late night.
Okay.
So almost all those that are killed, apart from this one that was lying naked, all of them, they always bury them and put car tie there and burn. Whenever they kill somebody, they will bury the person there, put car tie on top and burn them. But it was just yesterday, the dead body was lying down naked.
106.9.
Are you getting me right?
Yes, I get you, Abu.
If not all the other people that are being killed and buried, 7 people were all buried. You can see they'll cut parts of their private parts and other parts and throw them away. Just bury them, sell them, and put kata and other things and burn the place.
Okay. Abu, thank you very much for this update. But the MC has assured the media that today he will meet other security couples to finalize on their decision as to how they can clamp down the menace. So be on standby. If anything, we are on standby to get the details in the evening.
Yes, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
They are still organizing press, and then other things are going on in town here. So in case of anything, if you need me, come back to me. I will talk to you.
All right. Okay, thank you very much for this update. Ebusia yensem troni Abu KK Eddie Amaniboy Efri Upper West. Wa na Kwadwo
Okon media menu mato kakra na metie esu a yenuan mo wafo na esu na na akwan bi so me na mo ye adwen firi se Okon omana yetimo no yedidi brebi ahyehyehye nipa bi ne monsa enti Ghana police service for person omo kire me say anaso omo kire Ghana for say ekunkuma ekoso wo wa no aso muntumi mpa anopoma sibra na
yanchi obia 17 in 3 years
me dwene ho amenti ase o adehia na ekasa na nsemo mo ka ne say said ye tie bia na 2024 abatu ombaba won ma be ye campaign be bonto a honom aka kire mo so monto aba mfa ma wonom na mo twen so mo mra o emeye de me ka kire mo so monto aba ye twa nipa mene ekum nipa ehwie moja digu ewo upper west be pem sa mre we yanchi obi a emma kunkuma da so koso Ghana ewo mra ye wa ho ba mbofo okurum ha DLFM omo na mo wotumi se sa ne ma na ye koso no omutumi ni omonan esi fom na omutumi si ano okunya trans nkosi da ben in fact o ma na yetimo no se ye kasa asomdwe o ha na ye boa o ye besre mpani fom fom na nsi fom ayedodo
sa unim wo mo hu ne se enkran adwo Kumasi adwo ntino Ghana adwo
na ho ne ka Ghana ho ana
bia wo ma adwen no
tifidu mantamu ye Ghana fo
sa no mo dwen say oh the southern part of the country any parts middle parts and as I hu ne say oh Ghana no ekofodua Ghana no ye nkranko Ghana no Kumasi nkwanti adwo
okome be onipa ye twa ne ti edi be ne di ne ye den
Richard Opoku
ofi tifidu mantamu
dabi
yajo
kwaje to aso
Okuyentwa kasebo no so yabo awuramu aba oye upper east region na Ghana Immigration Service for eden kataba bonten echiremu a wonom achecha nani baako ena afisu Ghana ni baako ewo jese ne paga ahye so eno no wo upper east region na wonom chiremu se ekodum pempenso bia sa cha nafo yi ena afisu Ghana ni omukitatu ajese ne de nyetu ketwa tin de setete ti abofra bi on bewu edibo wuramu awa paga ahye so ene omuhu immigration officers no wombo mutirim posen ko mbeto de ahye warom so ne nkade mapapa warom sum ato so so no se dabi yentra hanom ema momfa mo pe enya de mo peti ni senti enya de ajese immigration officers ne ma wo kwa akra twema wanom ti no wombo moden ato de shawom so pampa mo matumi kwachi sa de pa mienu a jese ne nyase mikuma akra se Chinese ni baako ena o man Ghana konkro o man Ghana nso yenso ye de hye baako no so ka ho bia se ni pa bonfo wiiri mo no etoko krakra wanom se anka mo kwakopa awuadi ewo paga ene mpatam na nkra ni kiremu se emna moche sa nipa mienu we mu no omunya etuo mienu ene ne Chinese pump action gun sesen ye mienu kra wonom afin so ne ma ya akode ya nipa de bon ho ban ya sesen ye tutuo e de bawa boba ne ntumi nwura ni padua mu no nso eye makoma du baako 11 ene so ya che wo mo se ekoko kra wonom afin so mo san so e che wonom a na jack knives akodo an se na nya sem kuma esika hyehye mlante we hu age se bona bo mutirimu pasa bone de omunya bia wanum bedi pa afi so eye 15 eye electronic gold eye skills nso ne kwekura samranti we ese ne o mabo mutrim posa bone de na ombedi e wo pagad ne potem na kan sa kire mu se ne ma wo dom gigi ye bi e ka ho a eno so eye ze telephone ya na se telephone so makoma miensa ne kwekura mranti we afi so mo san so ekohu sika ne Ghana CDCB e na fi dollar CB e na afi so CFA note no bi nso a e kwekura san kofo na mo kire mu se na mo san na mote so bo mutrimu posa o man Ghana yate yi asomje kakra ya nya no enche bi yampo Ghana ho beto aba ene ma bo mutrimu posa beto pesa beto so o man Ghana so de senti Immigration Service for bo moden eso mantu mienu echi ai se me kese mo ma che wonom na Chinese ni din ade eye jo eye twan empenifu ache no ana afi so Ghana ni a ono so di ada no so ye awoto kwame sani pa bonu fo mienu a me se a me kese no o bo Ghana Police Service for bo moden ahwehwemu dia fa ana ma bo na mu kotu ye e wo paga free se o magana ya timo no asomje ya wono ese ya kura so nti o moden ache o mso nkwaboa na nhwemu mapa enkwa so efiri so magana ya timo no enya de asa na motuo no yeso so kura wo magana mu
yento awia pram to breka sebo no eso na wo bo moden na ba ye Facebook no so a China ni a okitatuo ene Ghana ni abrante okitatuo wo mo anetuo ni kita wo mo nsam a we no eti abofre ye Facebook no so pictures ni guso a ye DLFM 106.9 yento aka sebo no eso empeninfo a wonom ehwa pomden eso ewo epoye mantamu ade abeto dwakirem se yade bia kiresanidi huhuhu we no wo de kobrofo kasamu a eye clinical malaria ye friend no se eye se dengue fever ewurade ye kroma yade ebekum nipa bia de ede ese mkroma sambre man enso na wudi sam kwa na wo mo ba mane se ye kasa yi sa eye se dengue fever o se de ende no mako edu baako 11 ana se empenifo confirm na wo mo de todwa echire mu se eye enane nansa a na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ kita wonsa bosom da toso edu nine kwasiada no ana wɔn de to da ekyerɛ mu sɛ saa clinical malaria no ɛyade sɛ ɛto atese ɛwɔ ɔman Ghana poye mantam Eastern region kyerɛ sɛ ɛnya asam ketwa na wɔde ato da akyerɛ mu ɛsɛ mene okasa yi wɔnom ɛde samples ne bi nso akwa kodru ɛyɛ Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research sɛ ɛgya nyanyambia no wɔn betime nya san sonso ani bia na afei no wɔn matime ho ba bia wɔ susai wɔde bɔde ho no ebetime afa na wɔkyerɛ mu ayade na hyase no ɛyɛ mensin mako miensa ana hyase na nso yɛ kasa wudru Eastern region mensin mako enum 5 districts ana mene okasa yade no atime dru ho no mu a wɔbɔ ɔmanfo kokwase obi ahwɛ ne ho eyie na mensin de odi nkan nya ne de ɛyɛ Birim Central de otoso mienu ɛyɛ Birim North de otoso miensa ɛyɛ Achimansa de otoso nan ɛyɛ Birim South ana de wɔtoso enum ɛyɛ Achiase na sanse mu nyina etodwa na ensamtrofo nhia mu ase ana Eastern Regional Director of Health ɛyɛ Dr. Winfred Ofosu wɔde etodwa na wɔkyerem sɛ wɔbɛsrɛ Ghana fo nyina so obi ahwɛ ne ho yie na wɔde atodwa kyerem sɛ yɛ kasa wɔnom ɛde 57 samples ana akɔpiem ɛwɔ Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research na 57 samples wɔn da kopiem mu ɛwɔ yɛ Noguchi no ɛwɔ mo transfer results ne bɛba ne mmade ba ko mbɛka kyerɛ Ghana fo nyina no ɛne sɛ yade no ayɛ hu ɛwɔ Eastern Region pa nti obi a ɛhwɛ ne ho so yie.
The Eastern Region is currently managing an outbreak of dengue fever in 5 districts. The districts are Achiase, Achimansa, Birim Central, Birim South, and Birim North. A total of 11 cases have been confirmed by the Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research. The region is expecting a feedback for 57 more samples that are being worked on. The region currently is managing about 103 suspected cases. So I'm sure many of you have information. Initially it was 9. Some tests have been done again and 2 are positive. So that's why it's come to 11. And like we said, there's still a backlog of tests that are being run at Noguchi. So the likelihood of this number increasing as the day come by is high.
Any ayati ye Dr. Winfred Ofosu wano anapoye mantam mpanifo a wonom eda Ghana Health Service hono wano eneda wonom ano ana wada to Ghana wochirim se yade ni din the dengue fever we no clinical malaria as say atwinity a hadwen na yade no eba foforo sa no ani din de say wedding for ntoma nanso na dwonbone wo mutirim sa na ba ko yi ne ti coronavirus ni enim say de say na wudie nkwa na oba ye Facebook no so a ntontom na de banti wo hwe ntontom bi a wahenham se mafia versus ninja eda ye Facebook no so anya asam gotwa ntontom no wase kofitela pa jasam obi
Ogo se ntontom ne se wan
wase kofitela pa se de wase ahenham no
China for ne pu
se we ntontom a wadosa de
enye mwanwa se sa China for we mu yakọ so abegu Ghana ha mo ye galamse ni bi na akọ wibidi hu sunsun
ne mwanwa
enye mwanwa
ade a dengue fever
enye mwanwa because China for we ni mu ade ombeso mbi omowe
boy
omunku no kura mowe na mo ntimi enye mwanwa kura
to aso yi
ya to akase bon so ne body awura mu awa kan nifa wono moda organized labor fo ano wono makase ekirem se sia mekese no ombo moden bo tirimupo sanka atuate po mbete na omaga ne mu ha se die ebinsi da na sia mekese no senate fo na afin so Rock City Hotel empani fo dwumadi omutu ya ne sia no mo de abawie yete no wono matena se aye din ehwe wono nanso enya de ombekọ so atena moto afiri se wo matena se ahunu se oman Ghana titiri ne aban eni mpanifo bi a wono mkodi dwumadue bi anaso mkoda dadibire bi na oman Ghana mu a wono onye omadwuma emfa nkuntabo mfa amamontene ne de omope na omoye no anya de ombetena se aye hwe han efiri ne ekọ na president e de Ghana National Association of Graduate Teachers no yetweniti ya kan se Nagrat eye enje kabono wakasa ekirem se anya de ombetena se ne di omaye ne ngire se tirimude na asho ma na mumu no Ghana ha no ukasa pe ne ataga wo ya mononi we wo kasa se MPP na waso na se wo ya NDC ni o kirem asa na motuo ni bi na ama ese amekese no man Ghana niam bi ekwaso na enye mpo a wo ka na ye den de ama wo firi se wo kekan pe ne aka se wo kwakota ban bi achi na wakwati aban we no chim se dabi o man Ghana yatimo no se yakwaso ye ni se ya etumi ma o man Ghana se de pese chechero man ko ye ni mo no nya de na betimi akoye kura e de ama yen openi kasa no chim de se ya kasa no wo hwe o man Ghana galamsi yakwaso o man yi man penifu aka ho asem aka ene akoye tumi yentu a Ghana man yentumi ntu ase no o kirem se galamsi no Ghana de hye be chechi wo ekopie mu ewo police station mo de fia so no kirem se menye fa so mo nkwala na free se wono no mu ni tumi na mo kyerɛ mo sɛ amanyɔfo ne mpanimfo titiri bi a dwumade bi kwakura wɔn mu nsɛm no wɔnom ɛna mo taa akyire na ma nnɛ galamsey no Ghana-fo ntumi nko ntuas ne sɛ nti wakasa akyire mu sɛ mpanimfo sɛ ɔmo suban wɔn nso ɔmo yɛ ho ayɛ kyerɛ de akyire mpanimfo ɔmo ahunu sɛ yes na ma bɔ ne yɛkɔ so no ɛnyɛ de Ghana Labour fo no nso wɔnom ani agye ho.
It is not our intention to shut the nation down. Well, I will agree with you to some extent on that. But then, who and who are the links in Galamsey in this country? It is the powerful, it is not the boys and girls we arrest in the gravel pits who are responsible for the Galamsey. It is the same people we have given power to. It is the same people who are in the helm of affairs, who are the bank rollers of Galamsey. It's like the drug trade. It is not the people who are arrested on the streets who are actually funding the drug trade. It is the men and women behind the mafia bosses and so on and so forth who actually wield the power. Again, if yesterday we did not raise our voices, we want to assure everybody that today moving forward, we hear our voices in pertinent issues. And we want other people to come on board. We do not want the Ghana Bar Association to be docile and tell us that they don't want to talk politics. They should come on board. We want the media to come on board.
Enuachi enakabonu esa chirimu say wohwe nkitahudi ebeto senate fo ana afenso Rock City Hotel fo ntemu na nka oma Ghana se organized labor ene adwumayefo nkebom kwakodo no wone mo ansore pa dia nka beye nkwa afiri say abeyete banwa suwe yiri pa bi no bo mutiri mu po say anka senate no motam e de ache brana tampon afiri say anamotu omutu ene nka yefofofo kura give away bi mpo nka mo yese nka omotu sana mo no.
It was as if government had its position and all that government was ready to do at that engagement was to coerce labor to accept the fact that the hotels were going to be sold. And that was a difficulty for some of us to understand. Another difficulty is the prudence in a major political actor thinking that it is right to purchase a state property, even if we don't have very express laws in this country. Morality should tell you that it is absolutely wrong that you work for government and you purchase from the same government you work, the duty that the people are doing to purchase that same property that you have been given to superintend over. And to extend it a little bit, government properties are being blocked by people who are functioning in that space, vandals are going.
Eni awoti ye aya president at the Ghana National Association of Graduate Teachers. The day at the Angel Kabonu.
Yentu akasiaba no so na yenkan Ghana for messages ne kakra e wo Facebook no eso a na piaga wodi firi achemasafo aba ana se kasiaba no edemu live for power Eastern region yeda ase odo enso edifiri tema wo se kasiaba no eye kama ana Judith Eli Blue and was good afternoon Okogyeabour Kwadwo Sammy. I say this is very sad watching you live from United States of Gbechiri yada sepa Gbechiri for ana Kofi Parliament one also odifri agona bobikuma in the central region was news no loud and clear wafake edifi new plan station ba one also say kasiebo no edemu papa ewo ho ana mamemfase ha Richard Ahwe DJ Ghanaman na chese FM image sounds ewo Gbechiri wasi wo mo bie mu papa chese enya asem ketwa wasi DLFM 106.9 moye kedwa keep up the good work ano no so wode abaye da se pa ya chia obi anso e wo hono na Ibrahim Garba wode free eye woyoko kofodua ano wasi news no edem e wo ho Hansen Diodu wo so me ha me akwa papa na kasebo no emu ode na emu so da hono mo clear pa e wo Atomic Hotel Dansoman ya da se ana Agbovi Francisca wasi wo tie yen hwe live e wo Nana Krom e wo Nkrahan mo a Agbovi wonso ya da se ma yanto akasebo no eso Ghana Education Service at the krata 10 and apie amontre so na wonom any headmasters any headmistresses a wonom ewo junior high any senior high schools no ana AD enkomoyi na wonom echirem se nyame aya domo a se wo ye headmaster anase wo ye mepacho headmistress ewo JSS anase mepacho SHS a tieniye papa we no eye 2024-2025 academic year no say ana school ho nsansam esi etie wanum echirem say nyame ya domo a September bosome no neda etoso aduonu enso metre 27th September 2024 ana sa schools omabodi nyina no wanum ebebie eye reopening date no eno ntimuntie ne year pa na mo nhye no nso sa obekọ vacation na tie na hye no nso say 27th of September 2024 yi ana nkwada no yi mo bebie school ana me part of vacation no so Friday 6 December 2024 na kire se ade abechen ama ya to aba no a ade abechen ama ya to aba no ana mo nso mo be makwan we nkrata Ghana Education Service wode aba betu dwase enkenkan fankyere Ghana fo abatan akyerɛkyerɛfo ene nkwada ne nyinaa se bibia ne hono mu a asesa ewo mu na nkrata epie montre eso no Prince C Agimandua wono ana me pato assistant director schools and instructions division ana wosan edeman director general of GS ana wode emu ensem aba Ghana for enhye no so kasebo mu emayen
yentu akasebo no so monfa nwura mu Ghana man penin na nado danko Akufo-Addo na kache na danko Akufo-Addo abasobo kese ama French aban na afenso China si ya sese na China for man o chirema modern ba wono mo bo na o man Ghana se do mata ye chipa titiriu na o man Ghana ka twitwi de beto ye nso bosia hodo ye koboro ye wa mahudo bi so na modern mo mabo wo mu no o chirema wono modern bo aso ne ye pa Ghana man penin de simo ya de tudwa em na kopie mo dwumadi kese bi a etodi of French o national day celebration e course wono French embassy aso ye won krabopure matemu ena wakase na o chirema se wo hwe o man Ghana pa anka ye anka yaso be ye show free say wo hwa bosia hodo a yakoboro na mama bi so pa be ye ka no enka anya French foi ena afi so Chinese foi pa de nka Ghana anka ebedu edo krokra enka anya nkra atu na danko Akufo-Addo Ghana man pen na nka ja ya de ka be so anu pre na nka de na tum ne de na esin free say ka na de amanfo no na ka na no odin pa na so saman asesa aman mienu we ba mu no se me kese Ghana ka no ho adwopa wo kirem say Ghana fo nyina yentuche enfa ma French fo na afi so Chinese fo free say money ba ma bo o my Ghana ene mo amode abo ye ntitiriu ene esikase mu no eso ene yipa na danko Akufo-Addo ejemre ne sentrefo kasae emu nkiremu nie.
Let me use this occasion to express Ghana's deep appreciation of the work of the Paris Committee, the Paris Club, whose official creditor committee is co-chaired by the Republic of France and the People's Republic of China, for the satisfactory work that has brought a solution to Ghana's debt restructuring, as the ambassador said, in record time. I have personally already expressed my appreciation and thanks to President Macron and President Xi Jinping.
Eni awuti ye Ghana man penin nana arodankwa Akufo-Addo nene ena wote ye no ena enwachi ena French ambassador ne den Edijos Ahmad Amiambosu ono so kasa na wotirem ze sia yekese no ombekwa so atai Ghana achi efrise omo se Ghana man no ne power ha nanso no yesikasem eni ahoden bo se ne de ye je omo so betai achi efrise nsi hu kakra wo hunti omo so benya ska kakra e de apodwa wo no ma no okasa na wotirem ze sia yekese no enya no nkwa no beboa Ghana na momu no omanga na nyumtufo nso wahu ne se bedu baabi asikasem ti na obi no nyumto pa na nso na nyum nyina aka nanum na bi nso aka ne yem okirem se no nso omo de hye pa bo na Ghana nyumtufo nso mo sika mo de aso omo nyumto ase na atumi abo ma Ghana sikasem atumi akoranim emu nkirem nie.
On the economic front, over the past few months has focused on restructuring her bilateral debt. The Paris Club has done a remarkable job in record time, enabling Ghana to regain her financial margins. I don't want to blow my trumpet, but I'm very proud to say that France has demonstrated its full support to Ghana during this difficult period and will continue to do so.
Eni awuti ye aya French ambassador wo my Ghana mum ne den Edijos Ahmad Amiambosu nende ena wote ye no eno achi na Ghana nyimtuni a wagine din ye pa Black Shelif ekopie modwumedie nase ena wo kire me se wo hwe initiative ampanifo de atudwe de French aban obo abaso pa every se Ghana de obi hiamwa ne senti se mudi sika we beboa Ghana fo na nyimtofo nso o magina mo na so brane abonyo ma wiase nyina te yenka de a ono so de nase e de ma French aban no.
Everybody needs support. Every single person needs support. Every type of talent needs support. So I believe every talent in this motherland is open and waiting for support anyhow. So inshallah, more support for the youth.
Any awuti ye Ghana nyum to name. Ne den at the Black Shelif.
Enti kodwana tese no French abana beboa Ghana nyum to fo na ya hete wo ho.
Na me ka kire.
Sikasemti. Say sikana menyo nkama hete dada o.
Now dey say me judi.
Oh.
Ana no ma ye kwanya. Oh. Ye be ye DL away. Tuma obi ehun de course so. Oh, sa rap na wo ye no.
Oh.
omokura mo so omaji omudi am so onim nyum to okura
omo ntimi nye
bebere na no mo tu chema
sa me wa ba ku bi a meto a aya na apostle wonyina wo pepa me wa rap me ye pie
ene mane mra mountain so na Ghana fo behia and this eska we na eba no
yes
ye best say French for ambassador na Ghana ha say no o ma wonsan kan wo de
that's right
o kan nyum to fo omaji omudi okrum ha na wo no we underground dudu won answer den hu
menya underground
sa upie ya che
sika na ma ya underground
sika na ho asem ne ye kan
me ka me pie ya che na nkasa akode mbada ben brother na ye see so ya ni abrechiri ba kofi same mo ye ni to rap sa abre no na nka obete ne okubiem afi we manchi bela me bepe mi sidi mo hwehwe mu sefa I am living in the air mo dwere mo asase eka just say
you too much
boss e bo won san kamedie kutia kakra bewom I am sucking you like a chicken me betete mo sa paper
Oko sika we wonsan ka bia na mpenufo ade atia
just said na akrofo
o de ko fitela ani waye ono kra waye pepre je say abonu pusa na onsusu say obetuma agina wona so say da
dabi on de kon Okran Nhyiraba ma hwe ase o
amanfo na baby studio eyi no do no
say amka sa akwade na aba
woni sa akwade aba we your Okogyeabour Ocran
that's right
enya sa akwade kra wo fa ni mpon pa na epru ni mirimo no
me no
diska we de besre umma bi ensu fie ha no mona
say
DL mfa nhye eyi
nka ma heti o
mo na nwum no ko nanim
Kenya ero no se no nsi abo premo to you
nka wo kokra be san ba o
na black sheriff kwada nko bada ba yi Ewurati hamia Ewurati yi krom ha be bro na ensu na mbekire ma heti
time
yento akasebo no eso yeto akasebo no eso a emrahye badwafo akwa asetena na wono makwa ye amendment wo ye 2012 LI 2180 no emu a mepache wada eno ana ye the latest road traffic amendment no wo mo de ba ye no na wo mo ekirem se sesi ade se wo ye emrahye badwani o se wo ye wosoafo o se wo ye wotemuafo judge wo ye hwan ye o se wo su betima use siren na che se wonam Ghana ha no mo a wo betia no wow na wo ko anafe kura so no regulation 166 no so no exemption from speed limit no so se wo mo kirem se de wo ye MP wo ye minister wo ye judge a emirika bia wo pe e wo krom ha no ye kwan fianfian fa sa emirika no efa so ene ensam ni pie no ekwa akase ni bi na akasa fa ho ebi eye Bureau of Public Safety na ya wakwada wakasa fa ho akirem se sa amra no parliament montren sa free se Ghana foi ye wudada e waka nkwanhiem masa akwa sa amendment ngura we dey achese be ha dwan ana afi nso no imani African so akasa akirem se sa amendment no se bi emfaso nhyeda eni so sa na eno ana asante achem no of mrahye bedwani honorable lawyer anti apia kubi wade atoda na wakirem se what is a Ghana for a kasa kirem se sa amendment no anya papa no ne hu dwere ne kakra efri se mrahye bedwafo no omudwumadi a wo mudie no dawson so hu enti hu behia se wo mo no ye mo amokwan na wo mutimi use siren se de be ya obi ye MP a obetima kwakodru parliament ntem na obi antwintwa na mu wo ye minister wadwuma dawson eno enti wono de ohunu samfom so obi ampo ni ho se ye beka se MP minister ana se wo ye judge a bo siren ana se mirikatente bi apɛ no wutimi etu wotirem se ebra na wo mudi ho nkomo no wo ye na adwene contribute bia na nso no de mpanifo agya tum ni nyina no ene se wo ye MP a use siren wo ye minister America bia apɛ no kɔ wo se eye kama pa Andy Apia Kubi.
Indeed, I was privileged to have joined the executive for the last 4 years in the first term of President Nhyiraba Kwadwo, and I know the schedule of work that ministers go through and how they postpone meetings outside ministries trying to finish their regular job in office and finish all and be confronted with limited time to reach the next destination for the next official duty. You subject such people into the conditions of traffic on the road. Such people cannot meet the deadlines, and therefore it is imperative for us to give some access to them to be able to meet the deadlines. And let us not forget, if deadlines are not met, it goes to undermine the performance of such public officers or ministries or institutions to the detriment of the expectations of the general public. So if there is any justification in giving special access to any of the Article 71 office holders, then it presumes that all the members of Article 71 office holders ought to be given the same access so that in the discharge of their duties, we can hold them and we can expect that the productivity will improve because they are not impeded on the road.
Na enuachi ana yera Andy Apia Kubi was at the tat will be na wochirem say emra na ehon komo no koso e wo parliament no wono krampo e propose say nka yemfa adokota fo nka ho firi say wo dokota ni na ekwakwaje nkwanti wono so no eni kwase nka ma no edi traffic im na nso wochirem say eno no de emrahye badwafo na anya ntom na emom wo mo de bebo a wo mo de wo mo gitum Andy Apia Kubi.
In fact, during the consideration of the bill, I had proposed that we even add doctors on call. Because in a situation where somebody has been brought to a hospital, an emergency, and the doctor is held up in traffic, the amount of work done is zero. Because the patient is there, but the doctor is held up in traffic. It's important for us to consider that. I had argued this vehemently in the committee, said that the difficulty was to find who is a doctor on call and who is a doctor not on call. And for that reason, they did not understand my position of including doctors on call. But we are all privy to situations where people have been ferried by ambulances to hospitals going to meet empty halls or consulting room without doctors.
Any ayeti ye honorable Andy Apia Kubi ana wochirem say Ghana ha no ayeti ye say ambulance etimi use siren enu nti ambulance no ede oyafo na ekwa obekwa koduru na chese doctor no nso meduri enu nti na nka hu behia say ye ma doctor fo no nso enyu use siren na nso say parliament na anya ntum ye yada ye gira we so agya aboafo nkrato ye bad ya kachire ye de besomo.
Hey, anokwase fix my ride adwumayekoi ama omanfo ebo premine etwetanga egu yeso okrom ha papa se eja Ghana ha wo mu ne abenfo a wo mu sisi accident cars man ye se car ya manufacture na neyia wo mu bomode eye engine tuning, overhauling, body works, oven spraying, air condition service, upholstery, electrical works, automatic gearbox repairs, maintenance na general car servicing bia se wo car dada anase asay na pese woton fra wo won beto e de amount sesia wo woton car beto car ma free so your customer dia and na so the accident car ba won be ma car fofo se etwi enu so free sheshe fix my ride limited e chi kwan wo Accra Academy School no enchemu ho Odoko police quarters kwan no so Atiko Junction Goyo fuel station no echi Kaneshi Odoko highway 1 crime fresh 0303 944 880 0202 227 660 0540 556020 and our website www.fixmyrideghana.com. Fix My Ride, own the finishing.
Yensan ema yetie for akwaba na yenti message mi yensan ngu from na fei apaka GH emfa mo enwuram ewa goprama so a na Sefas Bonnie and was say hello Okogyeabour ne wo fase ka sebo no mo de papa na metie mo hwemo live edi free winiba and was so chia yen pa Sefas yenso ye chia ye da se papa na owusu Edward and was say we are watching you live from Adenta Lotokios Wunia Designs. Greetings to Ibrahim and Master Charles. DL News too much. Yeah, that's it. And I mean, Opoku Active Emmanuel, DJ Active. Was say, hey, Okon, we a killer rapper. Aye, and yes, some kotwa. Apaka GH is on standby. Latest from the world of sports. Makwantu ohunsam eye medadwen nanso meyansam troninti menya daje ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonum nti ende metimi ba menya brani adaje ekenkan ye eye investigations about womo ana mehu se wo apply for visa assistance a emfeli efri se wonum ewo track records madanse die nie ma meni nkyerɛw Sunday Sam's consult edi Britia wabi ebeje wo visa amawo se wo ko United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, Nafe Kradia, Serbia, any Greece in so abeka ho a work permit etechere. Ma menchire wo mo echire kwan. Sunday Sam's consult ewo Ofanko barrier, Asofan, our Ben Wise Park Hotel, ewo Asofan New Station hono a. Free number 0244 291546. Email address nso samuelowusu626@gmail.com. Yeti ehudi enti, we connect dreams with opportunities. Emanenye wadwendwen, free wonom na nso bedi adanse empo asede media.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Abusia enawie mayan samawa ha en samawa kwa bamfamra DL 106.9 FM kasafidie so ene brada area from tobreka sebo so mreredu se yesin kunya na gudie won so no en sama ya boaboa no na abusia ye de ebesomo nsampi na ene kita ye de ba Ghana dia wa na nkrofon kro so de latest any exclusives no ya boaboa ni nyina no a enawie ye de ebabesomo wo somfo eye me ayensu ano de share Ocran Nhyiraba the blessed king in tentem so mention some na say emfanfi Ghana yendiem emfamadia mention say emfanfi athletics na uremo ewo Strasbourg France me no ka say Ghana team na ekwa compete e Olympic games na say e dia man no omo Strasbourg omo training prepare uremo ewo Paris akosho Olympic games na say na athletes awodo no atonkra e dia bre eye ministry ene Ghana banse omo kopie mo ewo African Athletics Championship no omo pedium ne omo allowance no empenifo entu amfama mo ye enti before Olympic games no ebe sha se ne empenifo nya ne tentem na omo ntua saska no emfama mo ansa na Olympic games no asha se ere won komo edi atu anim da no memory da no ena Black Queens of Ghana ewrem ewo Japan ene Japan man national team no edi friendly game ekobo ni ewi akire no na Japan achi aboyan kana ya yentumi anti nyame ncha de Black Queens team no oba bebedu Ghana asumdwemu a wonsam eno no na urem ewa manone a Ghana mrantie esi aka wo no Oma start any of teams prepare na urem our Southampton English Premier League ma na nsia no munya promotion eba Kamadin Sulemana washe prison say on Southampton training enu achi no Thomas Tepate enso wasna kache no ono nso ni team no ashe pre-season asia yede won komo edi atu anim wo Italian sianu no ye frebo bokobi Atlanta Bergamo meno kase omoni team a ye frene Cagliari oma agree a fee of 8 million euros bobo kwa ye frene Atlanta USS Canadian Cagliari normal sign 21-year-old Ghanaian midfielder ye frene Ibrahim Sulemana na we fi bobo kwa ye frene Cagliari abesina kan edema Atlanta yede won komo edi atu anim na AFCON qualifies na beto dwano Ghana ye ne oma ye frene Angola Niger any Sudan enewo group na coach edema Angola national team no ye frene Pedro Goncalves wakasa osi gema omone Blasters ebebo Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium no ohwe nim sesa game no bibia betutodi na wanya fair match na bibia nso akoye edi ama Angola national team na yede won sam edi atu anim okay Kumase Asante Kotoko omo former ringer ye frene Joseph Amuakon wawram awo ma ye frene Georgia wakosign 2 years contract edi amaboboko a ye frene FC Samtredia eho ena Joseph Amuakon ekwa kosina kan yede won sam edi amao na Bechem United omo former goalkeeper ye frene eye Idrisu eye Abdullahi na no sina kan edema Azam FC ewo Tanzania na suboboko officially no omo ne abrante friend Idrisu eye Abdullahi apati we sameno ka say Idrisu Abdullahi eye free agent a enwon sam no a yede atu anim na Kumase Asante Kotoko akache nendra and officially no omo onveli abrante a ye friend Elvis Cheba for set the next 3 years no omre no besia kan emfama Kumase Asante Kotoko na Elvis Cheba for na kasa or say oye honored say wait to me adwani Kumase Asante Kotoko boboko no esanse Kotoko eye big team enti wenya kwenya eba besia kan edi amaomo no nani agie pa we ne nsema Elvis Cheba for edi atudwa na Kumase Asante Kotoko ani abre se bofo akwata no omo captain ye fene Saka Dauda no ombefa no edi afiboboku a ye fene bofo akwa na enkobotwetwen edu akire na bofo akwata no epe 200,000 Ghana cedis enkane titisika no 2 billion na so Kotoko ayo madwen se ombetua 150,000 1.5 billion no mo dia fa branti a ye fene Saka Dada na nkomotwetwen edu akiri akato na bro na Kotoko etumi ne boboku a ye fene bofo akwa akobenkromo na abranti abesina kan ere amakotoko personal agreement between Kotoko and Saka Dada de enye problem omo agree bibia like is abranti a ye fene Saka Dada no eba be piem Kotoko abesina kan a ye
yɛde wo nsɛm ɛde ama wo na Heart of Folk ɔmo central defender yɛfrɛ no Okogyeabour last season ɔkɔlon ɛwɔ Ukraine ɛde ma bobo kɔ yɛfrɛ no Krivbas Krivi Ri na mene okase ni season no ɛkɔ awie no wa return back to Ghana and then no ɔyɛ fit a obetumi asi akan ɛde ama Heart of Folk next season like he said democracy kapochna Okogyeabour ebetumi asi akan ɛde ama Heart of Folk a ɛho ensɛm no Accra Lions ɔmo midfielder yɛfrɛ no Yimano Jigba mene okase wa join bobo ko a yɛfrɛ no FC Kukariki ɛwɔ Maya yɛfrɛ no Serbia mu a ɛhɔ ɛno kosi na kan a yɛde wo nsɛm ɛde ama Summer test 1996 officially before quarter no ringer your friend Isaac Bafono or must signing a 3 years contract and a summer test Ediama Isaac Bafo Obabesina kind Eddie Amam and watching so no summer test Kroya or my room our Sky FC Aqua sign midfielder your friend Akwesi Sapon 3 years contract and normally ama Kwesi Sapona and one ensem no newly promoted site our Ghana Premier League you're from Young Apostles officially no or more appointed former Diana Stars coach your friend Joseph Asalibediakon say ombra na ombe new coach and famoma and one ensem no sana Young Apostle Kroyano ome remu our Mighty Royals on my left back your friend Zachary Abdul Mubarak no or must signing a 3 years contract and no amana and who ensem no yamfa efie ninsi na yenwura mu amanone ne yamfa nsem ni bi emfa maudia nansi na England ekopiem ewo Euros na se ekobo final na so unfortunately no omulusu to omaya ye friend Spain mene okase de England national team head coach ye friend Gary Southgate o se bema baby wan beye ni nyina after 8 years no wa resign as a head coach edema English national team na ewonsem no na 8 years no obo 64 games no boy no o wini ana o draw 20 and olusu 18 and so ewo and in the win rate no 65% and one seven no into onya win of 64 or draw 20 and afi olusu 18 and one and seven no into after 8 years no Gary Southgate are resigning as a coach at the English national team now 64 wins 20 draws 18 defeats 65% win percentage or the omoko Euros back-to-back final and one ensem no Eric Ten Hag manager at the Manchester United or say problem wo ani abrante friend Jadon Sancho ntemno o ma solve bibia say ekwan mada o abrante friend Jadon Sancho no no problem bia eni omuntem or say man you epe good players na Jadon Sancho one of them intese ya de ekwan mada wa Jadon Sancho ebetumesi na kan e de Manchester United officially and Real Madrid historically no unveil Kylian Mbappe routine in front of 85,000 supporters. Ebin see that our Europe say team be unveil player na 85,000 supporters akopiem and then Real Madrid any Kylian Mbappe yes abakwasem officially Real Madrid amani jersey number 9 obabeshe na Kylian Mbappe na kasa Ose ne da so abamune na nani agi yepa ose ofele incredible say obabesia kandiama Real Madrid for so many years no waso Real Madrid won da so na ndede da so no atumi abam Kylian Mbappe nsam officially Kylian Mbappe a Real Madrid new player jersey number 9 and omodi amani Euros no nanse ya na ba na wie UEFA at the team of the tournament no at the ababonti yeboni teo no Mike Maignan goalkeeper of France honor them Marc Cucurella f Spain obo left back Kawaka f England obo right back William Saliba f your my friend France One Manuel Akanji Switzerland omo omo 4 and 5 over midfielder Fabian Ruiz f Spain and Daniel Omo f Spain and Rodri enso f Spain into 3 midfielders no nyina f Spain ubenya in Nico Williams of Spain or rings war Lami Yama enso f Spain or rings war and Jamal Musiala f Germany or no so lead the lines no at the amount ebusu amrene ko into yam fan semeninsi na Okogyeabour Ocran Nhyiraba so me amede nsam eba na agudie mu de no edia meje so no yesu ano de hye Apakan GH the blessed king me amebra penny ye from Mr. Kofi Ayenu o yesu ano so ate utie kasebwe mami nchia on the way na o wife nso I friend sister Mary Minchian Isaka or Shaiman Washington who's web you mouty Minchia. Over to you, Okogyeabour.
Mo medase apakaina uyu so brofu bi wo say Kylian Mbappe say ofili incredible.
Aye.
Brofu say na brofu papa.
Brofu papa.
The entire make us me what class 4 wo bomfa nyina say RC primary no. Yeah, my textbooks be see Kofi Ayankin kind.
Okay.
Na me dey attribute the incredible adventures of Wapi no enkwa gwetire.
DLFM 106.9.
And chimpanzees. Trump headmaster Dimatem.
Oh, that be only what tell me.
Ya attribute the incredible adventures of Wapi class 4.
Class 4.
Just say me nkwa mi book na no nkwa ni gwetire omu Dimatem ana. Say na incredible ni bro.
Bro panti Kylian Mbappe no se na ni age. Say wa ba Real Madrid.
Abaka unye o. Ni pabone fo papa. Enti ebusuan ka se bo no ye de besi wa ha. Na anwumre ye besa abanti. Champion Kofi tell de nam Facebook no so unya be hwai. Mo amuti ye hwai ye da mo ase. Akenkanfo no so ye nam yenu. China ni any French ne be ka se and they throw a cat send diffless net. Kalas ne katis. Edi ameje so ye gangster cat ya mitinkra. Okogyeabour Ocran
Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B.
Yada mo nyina se ahwe yi. Ema mo nyina mmo. Eni tie a wogye oboja.
DL News.